Welcome to Auto Resolve. Today I will show you easy fixes for SkyQ remote not working or responding.
Fix 1. Check the batteries. Step 1. Remove the batteries from your remote. Step 2. Insert fresh batteries. Step 3. Test the remote to see if it works. Fix 2. Reset the remote. Step 1. Press and hold 7 and 9 together for about 10 seconds. Step 2. This will reset the remote. Step 3. Pair it again with your SkyQ box. Fix 3. Repair the remote with the SkyQ box. Step 1. Point the remote at the SkyQ box. Step 2. Hold down 1 and 3 together until you see instructions on screen. Step 3. Follow the on-screen steps to finish pairing. Fix 4. Check if the SkyQ box is frozen. Step 1. Press the power button on the front of your SkyQ box. Step 2. If it doesn't respond, unplug the box from the mains. Step 3. Wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, and restart.